Hey clarinet players, thank you for practicing. Welcome to coaching session number 1 for Largo. So before you start, there's a few notes that we're going to use a lot of. The first line contains B, A, G. That's a low B, A, G. Note that that's a middle finger B. If you are not comfortable with those 3 notes, you need to mark them or play them like 100 times in a row. You will need a lot of those notes. The next one that we'll use a lot of is F sharp. That sharp sign in the key signature tells you all of the Fs are flip-flopped Fs. If you do not play F sharps, it will not sound correct. So my personal favorite way is to just put a hashtag, that's called a sharp sign, is like a hashtag, right by all of those Fs to remind you, F sharp. The last one that we will use in measure, I think it's measure 11, is a B natural. That is a both pinky B. And that might fuzz at first, but we do need the B natural. So step 1. We are going to do, do, do. Please sing it along with me so that you can really figure out like which notes are you going to dig into and put some extra love in. All right, here we do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 da, go. Do, 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 do. Next line. Do, 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 go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 da, go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 then we go. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. That's chunk number 1. Feel free to listen or play along. Ready, set. So as you play this, really figure out like what are the notes you're going to dig into. Have some fun with it. Be expressive with your music. Thanks for practicing.